Alright, so hi everyone, welcome back to Rohan Develops. This is Rohan Ramprasad and you're watching Rohan Develops, where we innovate things and build things, and we are building different types of things and different types of content which adds value to your stuff. So make sure you hit the like button before we start today's video. And what's today's video is going to be about? It is going to be about Google Campus Ambassador Welcome Kit unboxing. But where's the welcome kit? Here it is, and here finally we have got our welcome kit, and it has come in a black plated premium box, or I would say a cardboard, and it's written over here Google Campus Student Ambassador 2026. And let's see what's inside it. So before we start unboxing, I would like to thank Google for giving me this opportunity to be a Google Campus Ambassador at my campus and get this reward as the welcome kit, and more to come. So it was not easy to get this one. Like last year it was not mandatory to complete all tasks and you will be getting welcome kit, but this time they have made such kind of rules, like you have to complete the mandatory task at least to get the welcome kit, and I was not able to complete it due to my end semester exams and more stuff. So finally I got the chance and time to complete it, and I finally completed it, and within 10 to 15 days I got this, and it was really amazing feeling. You know that MS Dhoni, the untold story of Sushant Singh Rajput, he has played it very well, very versatile. So in that there's a scene when Dhoni, which is played by Sushant Singh Rajput. So in that when he enters his room, so there's a scene where he gets his Indian jersey first time. You all must have seen. If I can, I would show over here. So yeah, that scene where he gets the jersey first time in his hand, and his feeling is like, this is the best thing ever. And that's the exact reaction when I first got this delivery from the delivery guy, and I found out that this is that thing which I was looking for from months, and it's finally over here. So that's all. I have completed all my mandatory tasks and I'll be doing more stuff. Let's see how it goes. It's gonna be difficult for me, but let's see. Currently my third year will be starting from Monday. Today is, I guess, Saturday, so I'm shooting this video on Saturday, and hopefully I'll be posting it today only. So yeah, you can see it. I will be making more such videos, so hit the like button, subscribe, and let's start unboxing. So this is a black box in which my kits is there, everything you can see. Alright, so let me open it. It comes with this magnetic one. So yeah, this is the first thing you are seeing right now. What's all in it? Alright, so the first thing, which is a badge, a prompt engineer badge. So this badge is from the Google developer group, not from the Google Campus Ambassador. So I had ordered this along with it, so it had come. So it is written prompt engineer, if you can see, maybe the mirror effect, but yeah. So it's written prompt engineer Google for developers. So yeah, you can just wear it over here, and just I use it for my bag. And the second thing is this Google developer keychain. Let me show you. Yep, see, it's amazing, right? Behind is some mirror type of thing. So yeah, it's amazing. And now comes the most important parts of this video, our final stuffs of kit. So the first thing is this keychain. Again, one more keychain. Let me show you how it's looking. I have not opened it yet, but let me show you. Yep. So this is the keychain which I have got. So you can see a rocket and the Team Gemini, and this is Google Campus Ambassador keychain. So these three stuffs I have got, and this many stickers I have got to stick on my devices. So yeah, you can check it out. if it is not getting shine. Yep, these are the stuff. So it is considered proud to be a Google Campus Ambassador. Campus to the face of Gemini, and together we are is prompting the future. Yep, as you can see, these are many stuffs, and offer letter in which it is written that I am a Google Campus Ambassador officially, and I can put this in my resume and I can show to the recruiters, and it has given me a lot of opportunities even without this also. So if I will show this offer letter, it will be really helpful. This is the offer letter. It is written, "Hello Ambassador, congratulations and welcome on board. We are thrilled to have you as a part of the Google Gemini Student Ambassador Program 2026. We are excited to kick off your journey, and we have built something just for you to make this experience smoother, smarter and more impactful. Inside this kit, you will find everything you need to get started that will help you lead with confidence for day one. And this is more than a role, it's your chance to represent Google Gemini at your campus, build real-world skills through hands-on initiatives, lead AI workshops and spark curiosity among peers on certification and win exclusive rewards. Let's make Google Gemini accessible, exciting and meaningful together. Team Google Gemini." Well, thank you Google Gemini, and thank you Google India for this opportunity, and it means a lot. Let's see if more stuffs are there. Is it that much only? No, there are a lot more to cover. And yeah, this is a hat, a cap of Google Student Ambassador 2026. This is a cap. Let me wear it if it is very good. Yep. So this, I kindly wear cap something like this. So yeah. Yep. Oh, it's spoiling my hair, but yeah, Google is worth it. I got this cap, and let's see what more stuffs are there. Where should I keep it? Over here. Okay, let's keep it over here. And what's this? Exactly what you are thinking. It's my let me open it. Official Google jersey. It's all going to, and let me tell you, this material is very premium. It's not normal. You can see the Google Gemini and the stuff over here, which is Google Student Ambassador 2026. I hope you can see it. Let me take it behind if you can see. Yep. You can see? Yep, that's what I have got. Wait, I could just literally do it one more time. Okay, so I'll be adding an animation. I want a Google logo. Okay, so hi Gemini. I want a Google logo on my screen, and it should be 3D and it should be rotating continuously for my animation. And yep, see you again. Alright, so this is how it fits up. There's a Google Gemini logo, and if you can see in my back, there's one more Google Campus Ambassador pointing towards the logo, if you can see over here. Yep. So that's how it's all about. And if you are just wondering how I got it, just stay tuned. I will be making more such video how you can also be a Google Campus Ambassador. And this is my cap. And I am officially a Google Campus Ambassador, so consider liking my video. And let me tell you, I am also an HP Ambassador, so I'll be providing you a lot more courses for all the students, so just stay tuned till the last. And this is all what I wanted to tell. So yeah, I love whatever things I've got, this keychain and all. And if you are liking my video, consider commenting also and let me know what you want to see next. And this is Rohan Ramprasad, your Google Campus Ambassador. And if you are liking my video, consider subscribing it, commenting it, sharing it. And I'll see you next time. Wow.